Hey Sanelli. It's a video.
I know.
Take a video. Where are we going?
Where do you think we're going? It's Friday night, baby.
We're going to Kels. Whoa.
That's awesome.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, you need to say something funny now.
Hi, Sweden. That's all I got, honey. Back off.
My goodness, this is a cab driver. Hello. He turned off the light. So we're going to Kels. I haven't been drunk at Kels like before Christmas, so this should be interesting. No. Last time was 2 days before New Year's Eve. I went to Kels, I got smashed, threw up.
All over my friend's apartment.
Oh no, that was horrible.
She peed all over Pike Place, which in case you don't know, is the icon of Seattle.
We do not talk about that right now, right? Say över och ut.
Över och ut.
Över and out.
Över and out.
Over and out.
Over and out.
Klart slut.
Klart slut.
Klart slut.
Klart slut.
Hej då.
Hej då.